Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. Whether you're listening to this podcast or watching on YouTube, you've taken one more step in your English learning journey. That's something to feel proud of. Today, I'll be your guide, and we're going to talk about a topic that can help you become a more confident English speaker while also improving your thinking skills in real life. Have you ever found it hard to explain your opinion? Or maybe you've been in a conversation and didn't know how to continue. That's completely normal when you're learning a language. Today, we'll explore a powerful technique to help you think more clearly and speak more confidently. This technique is called thinking in layers. Thinking in layers means breaking an idea into small, simple parts. Just like a sandwich has bread, cheese, and vegetables, an idea can have many parts. By learning how to see each layer, you can speak about it more easily. This also helps you understand others better. Let's see how it works. Imagine someone asks you, "Why is exercise important?" Instead of saying, "It's good for health," you can break that answer into layers. First, you can say, "Exercise helps the body stay strong." That's one layer. Then you can add, "It also helps reduce stress." That's another. And finally, you might say, "It improves sleep." Now you've given a clear, complete answer. When you speak this way, you're not only showing what you know, but you're building confidence in your English. You don't need big words. You just need to think clearly and speak step by step. This is how you grow, both as a learner and as a thinker. Let's practice with another example. Someone asks you, "Why is learning English useful?" First layer, "It helps me talk to more people." Second layer, "I can find better job opportunities." Third layer, "I understand movies and music in English." You see? Each part builds a full idea. Now, let's learn a few helpful phrases to move through these layers. You can say, "First of all," "also," and "another reason is." These small phrases help your listener follow your thinking. They make your ideas sound organized and clear. Here's a tip. Try writing one idea in 3 layers every day. Choose a question like, "Why do I like reading?" Then answer it in 3 parts. This small habit will help you improve faster than just memorizing words or grammar rules. Let's try one together. Why do people travel? First layer, they want to see new places. Second layer, they learn about other cultures. Third layer, they take a break from daily life. That's a full, strong answer using simple English. Sometimes you might forget a word. Don't worry. Just explain it in another way. If you forget culture, you can say, "How people live in different countries." This keeps the conversation going and shows that you can think and communicate with what you already know. This is called describing around a word. It's a great skill, especially when your vocabulary is still growing. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. That's how fluency grows, with effort, not with perfection. Now let's talk about a fun activity. It's called the 3 why game. Ask yourself, why is this important? And then ask why. Again, 2 more times. For example, why is sleep important? It helps me feel good. Why? So I can focus. Why? To do well at work. See how deep you can go? This game helps you practice speaking and thinking in English at the same time. It also teaches you to explore your ideas more. The more you use your brain in English, the more natural the language becomes for you. Another good trick is to explain something simple as if the listener doesn't know it. Try explaining how to make tea or how to get to your favorite shop. Use clear steps. This builds your ability to explain and use everyday language. Sometimes we feel stuck because we don't know how to start. A good way to begin any answer is by repeating part of the question. For example, if someone says, "What do you like about your city?" you can start with, "What I like about my city is," it gives you time to think and sounds smooth. Also, listen to yourself. Record your answers on your phone and play them back. You'll hear your mistakes, but also your progress. This gives you a real view of how much you're improving and where you need to grow next. Don't forget to pause when you speak. Pauses help your listener understand and give you a moment to think. You don't need to rush. Speaking slowly and clearly is better than speaking fast with mistakes. One last idea. Try teaching someone else something simple in English. When you teach, you learn even more. It helps you find the right words, and it shows you what you really understand. Every day, give yourself one small challenge. Maybe it's talking to a friend in English, or writing 3 layered answers to different questions. These small steps are how big success begins. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Just start. Thank you for joining me today. You've learned a powerful way to think and speak more clearly in English. Remember, the goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to keep going, keep learning, and keep growing. You are doing something amazing by learning a new language. Never stop.